Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs technical support team. In this series, we are going to learn how to integrate PayTabs Magento plugin into your Magento store. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the plugin. And now, let's get started.
Now we can go to step 4 of the integration manual, which is accepting the payment. Here, we are going to accept the payment we initiated in step 3, and likewise our plugin handled this part for you. So this step doesn't require any further interference from your side. But let's take a look at this step from the business aspect. Accepting any payments go through 2 steps. The first one, which is handling the payment type, whether it's sale, auth, or refund, and you can see that this phase has already been handled in step 2 where we configured the payment action. As for the refund payment type, it will be clarified in step 7 of the integration manual. And here, we are going to look at the next phase of accepting the payment deals, which the payment deals with handling the customer card's details. And actually, this phase is also automatically handled by the plugin in the third step of the integration manual. In addition, note that in our plugin we follow a mechanism called hosted payment page, which implies the payments will be hosted, handled, and performed within our servers. So actually, if you are looking for a customized payment page that has the same look and feel as your store, just after customizing your PayTabs payment page UI to simulate your UI design, you can check the 2.3 Magento plugin Manage the iframe mode configuration option will enable you to do so. This also will empower you to not redirect or navigate your customers to any external destination outside of your website. And now, we are ready to go to step 5 of the integration manual. Now that we understand how accepting the payment works, we can move to step 5 of the integration manual, which is handling the payment response. Actually, the same case for the last 2 steps goes with this step. It doesn't require any interference from your side because the plugin handled this part for you. But let us understand how this works. Since Magento Plugin follows our hosted payment page mechanism as clarified in the last step, it relies on return and callback to handle the payment responses. You can read more about the return and callback and other ways of receiving the responses in our solution article, What are the 5 ways of receiving transaction responses? And now, since we understand how accepting the payment and how handling the payment responses works, we can move to step 6 of the integration manual, which is handling the post-payment responses. Now we can move to step 6 of the integration manual, and actually, like for the last 3 steps, PayTabs plugins don't support any customized callbacks or IPNs. It only manages the ones configured by the PayTabs team internally. Other notifications or responses can be actually or should be actually handled by your own team separately, so it can be suits your business flow. To know more about IPNs and how to manage this, you can read more in our solution article, How to Configure Instant Payment Notifications or IPN. And now, we are ready to go to step 7 of the integration manual.